Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy. Imagine this. You launch a startup selling smartphones or laptops, invest heavily and import premium devices. But the moment you try to list them on Amazon or Flipkart, you are hit with a warning. BIS certification required. This single requirement has stopped many businesses in their tracks. So what exactly is BIS? Why is it so important for electronics like mobiles, laptops and TVs? And how do big brands like Apple, Samsung or Dell get their approvals smoothly? This guide takes you through the complete world of BIS certification for electronics and IT products in India. Now let's discuss what is BIS and why it matters. BIS stands for the Bureau of Indian Standards, the national standards body of India. Its mission is to ensure that products sold in India meet the country's safety, quality and performance benchmarks. Electronics, by their very nature, carry risk. Faulty chargers can cause fires, laptops may overheat, and televisions can cause shocks if built poorly. BIS certification acts like a protective shield for consumers while ensuring only safe and reliable products enter the market. Without it, products can be blocked at customs, delisted from online platforms, and banned from sales. Now, let's discuss about the electronics and IT products requiring BIS certification. Not all electronic products need BIS approval, but many fall under the compulsory registration scheme. Some of the major categories include mobiles and smartphones, laptops and tablets, LED and smart TVs, power banks and chargers, printers, scanners and wireless devices, LED lighting products, set-top boxes and smart gadgets. Now BIS for mobiles, laptops and TVs. Mobiles. Every mobile phone, from premium iPhones to budget Android devices, requires BIS certification. Test covers safety and complies with charging standards. Laptops. For laptops, BIS checks for electrical safety, radiation limits, and durability under Indian conditions such as fluctuating power supply and heat. Without certification, customs clearance is impossible. LED and smart TVs. Televisions, particularly LED and smart TVs, need BIS approval to ensure energy efficiency and consumer safety. Since TVs consume higher electricity compared to other IT products, BIS ensures they don't cause electrical or fire hazards. Together, these categories form the backbone of India's electronics market, making BIS an unavoidable requirement. Now, the BIS certification process. The process of obtaining BIS certification for the electronics is detailed but systematic. Identify applicability. Check whether your product falls under the CRS mandatory list. Application filing. Submit your details on the BIS portal, including company registration, product specifications, and factory details. Testing at BIS recognized labs. Send product samples for testing in government-recognized laboratories. These tests cover electrical safety, performance, and radiation. Submission of reports. Test results are sent directly to BIS for review. Grant of registration. If everything checks out, BIS issues the certificate allowing your product to bear the BIS CRS standard mark. Typically, the process takes 30 to 60 days depending on the product and efficiency of the documentation. Now let's discuss about the Amazon and Flipkart rules for electronics. E-commerce giants strictly enforce BIS compliance. Amazon India requires sellers to upload BIS registration numbers and certificates before allowing product listings in registered categories. Flipkart demands not only BIS certificates, but also a declaration of conformity from sellers. If a seller attempts to upload fake or expired BIS certificates, the platforms immediately flag them, delist the products, and can even suspend the seller's account. For electronics, no BIS means no online sales. Now have a look on the future of BIS in electronics. The scope of BIS certification is expanding rapidly. As India's digital economy grows, New categories such as wearables, IoT devices, AI-powered gadgets, and smart home appliances are likely to be brought under BIS regulations. Businesses that invest in compliance today will not only avoid penalties but also gain a reputation for quality and reliability in the long run. BIS certification is no longer an optional step for electronics businesses. It is a passport to the Indian market. For sellers and manufacturers, it ensures market access. For consumers, it guarantees safety and reliability. For India, it strengthens trust in its booming digital economy. Whether you are importing smartphones, manufacturing laptops, or selling smart TVs, one rule is unshakable. No BIS is equals to no business. The sooner you adapt to this compliance-driven environment, the stronger your place will be in the future of India's electronics industry. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.